Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to my channel. So Senator Bernie Sanders is now urging other lawmakers in Congress to tank President Biden's new infrastructure bill when it's put on the floor for a vote. This is the latest news and information on the fourth stimulus check and infrastructure package. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Senator Bernie Sanders of Vermont threw a wrench into congressional infrastructure negotiations after House Speaker Nancy Pelosi derailed progressives' voting strategy. Since June, when President Biden reached a bipartisan deal in the Senate on a $1 trillion roads and bridges bill, he and Pelosi have vowed to bring it to a vote in the House at the same time as a $3.5 trillion party line reconciliation bill. Nancy Pelosi's move blew up that strategy, and progressives are furious. Bernie Sanders wrote in a Twitter post, "I strongly urge my House colleagues to vote against a bipartisan infrastructure bill until Congress passes a strong reconciliation bill. By calling on House progressives to vote against the basic package until the human infrastructure plan passes the Senate through budget reconciliation, Bernie Sanders took the lead among progressive senators in urging Democrats in the House to hold firm and play hardball with the Speaker. The stakes are huge because if Democrats succeed in passing only one, they will leave much of President Biden's agenda unpassed with midterm elections looming in a little over a year. For months now, progressives have said they will torpedo any movement on the bipartisan package that comes without the reconciliation bill. Now that Democratic leaders seem to be doing just that, progressives are digging in. Bernie Sanders is one of several to throw cold water on a standalone bipartisan infrastructure bill. Other progressives are also very upset at Pelosi's move. Senator Elizabeth Warren told reporters that "we had a deal," implying that Pelosi was backtracking on an agreement to hold joint votes.
Does the president want an agreement on the legislative text by tomorrow?
Well, I think you're asking me probably because of Speaker Pelosi's comments, I assume. One, I would say the president trusts the Speaker and her assessment of what her caucus needs to win this vote. Our objective here is winning 2 votes, getting these 2 pieces of important legislation across the finish line, because we know the impact they'll have on the American people. We know they'll lower costs for people. We know they will make be a huge down payment toward addressing our climate crisis. They'll lower taxes for 50 million Americans, and he wants to get both done. We certainly trust Speaker Pelosi. We're working in lockstep and around the clock to get both of these pieces of legislation done. I would say it's only 2:46 now. We have lots of time left in the day. It may not feel that way. Lots can happen, and that's what we're working toward.
Based on the conversations that he's had with Senator Manchin and Senator Sinema, since we know that there have been plenty of them, does he feel that progressives can trust them to support the bigger package?
Well, I can't speak for what members of the Progressive Caucus feel will make them confident about the path forward on reconciliation.
Does the president feel that the progressives can trust Manchin and Sinema?
I'm not going to speak for what they think they require to get the vote across the finish line. They can speak to that. I'll let them do that. Go ahead.
To follow up on that, it seems like Bernie Sanders is throwing a monkey wrench into all this by encouraging...
There are no monkey wrenches here. None.
Encouraging his progressive colleagues in the House to vote down the bipartisan package, infrastructure package, unless the reconciliation package passes first. Now, I know President Biden has worked closely with Senator Sanders. What happened here, and how much damage has it done?
Well, we're in the middle of it here, Terry. We're not done with this. The president has been clear about his commitment to getting both pieces of legislation passed, both of them through. So right now what we're navigating through and we're working through is how we can get agreement.
Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez said earlier that she would vote no unless she got the new information. Representative Pramila Jayapal, the chair of the House Progressive Caucus, said in a statement, "We articulated this position more than 3 months ago, and today it is still unchanged. Progressives will vote for both bills, but the majority of our members will only vote for the infrastructure bill after the president's visionary Build Back Better Act passes." Not every Senate Democrat was upset with Pelosi. Senator Sherrod Brown of Ohio the chair of the Senate Banking Committee, had told reporters, "I trust Speaker Pelosi. She's the best speaker in my lifetime, and I don't give her advice." Everyone, what are your thoughts? Do you agree with Senator Sanders? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, the key word for this video is burger. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you like this video and also comment below the keyword. Thank you so much, everyone. The California Franchise Tax Board began sending the first payments on a tax refund enacted as part of the $100 billion comeback plan. The first batch of physical checks are estimated to begin going out on October 6th. The state has already deposited more than 2.5 million payments of up to $1,100 into the bank accounts of all eligible Californians, whose information was already on hand with the state's tax agency as a preferred refund method. For those not signed up for the direct deposit refund option, checks will be mailed out starting next week and will continue to be issued through the beginning of 2022. California will be sending out the Golden State stimulus checks to all eligible residents in batches based on the last 3 digits of the recipient's zip code. It will take up to 3 weeks for payments to be received once mailed out. Under the Golden State Stimulus Program, California will send a $600 payment to all qualifying residents, plus another $500 if they claimed at least one dependent on their tax return last year. The direct payments are part of the $100 billion budget plan, which was signed by Governor Gavin Newsom over the summer, and the program is being funded in part by federal recovery funds. The Golden State stimulus checks are expected to provide a total of $12 billion in direct relief to Californians financially impacted by the ongoing crisis, with an estimated 2/3 of residents benefiting from what's being touted as the largest state tax rebate in U.S. history. While some U.S. states have not sent payments to the majority of their residents, some have decided to send thank you bonuses to their teachers and first responders. Lawmakers in the states of Florida, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, and Texas, and some others have acknowledged the role these professions have had in supporting student and community success throughout the crisis. In Florida, lawmakers allocated more than $400 million to send these checks to teachers, firefighters, police officers, and other first responders. Most of those eligible have or will receive a check worth $1,000. Please, everyone, leave a comment below if you agree with me that all Americans should receive a 4th stimulus check. Thank you, friends, for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you that is watching my video. And if you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and also comment below the keyword. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Wednesday.